Arukwemeka President omusya wa Lions Club of Mbarara, Benon Kataate District Governor wa Lions Club District 11 ashabira abanya-Uganda okutamana mu kuchebeza amagara gabo okumanya okugemi hamwe no kurinda eby'obuhangwa.
I'm sure you have been told about them. These include diabetes, eyesight care, hunger, environment, youth services, environment protection, youth services, humanitarian services, pediatric cancer in children, okay? But in addition to this, we also look at the environment and the site.
The club is proud of its achievements during the holistic year. Our services range from diabetes, cancer, vision, environment, hunger, and humanitarian. We carry sensitizations through the media.
Tarcis President omusyotori no asimira omurumo oguriyo no gukorwa Lions Club okwera batarukwebasa.
I must say the job you did was very, very commendable, and we are proud of you. I'm sure very many lives have been changed and improved as a direct result of your efforts.
As Lions, you are fighting a war to save humanity, to give a hand, to make a meaning in life. They need to have impact for lives.
Ogwo shabira bebembeza abatorinwe okukoresa amani okusya obuhereza abantu.
In the district 411 Uganda.
So I'll be counting on you to lead the club efficiently, such that our communities can be served better.
Aba bachire banemba basi.